People typically associate pests with summer, and most of the time they're not wrong. But there are some pests that are a lot like us in one aspect. They like to come inside and stay warm and cozy during fall and winter. These are overwintering pests, and in this video I'll show you how you can control and prevent them from shacking up over winter using the Solutions 4-step process. Hi, I'm Colin with Solutions Pest and Lawn. If you're new to us, we create these videos to help educate people like you about DIY pest control. If you want to buy the products in this video and learn even more about overwintering pests, click the card on the top right of the screen or the links in the description below. As summer comes to a close and fall and winter looms on the horizon, it's time to start thinking about protecting your home from overwintering pests. These pests survive the cold winter months by finding warm places to harbor. This is usually yard debris, leaf litter, mulch, and most likely your house. Overwintering pests can invade your home without you even realizing, going unnoticed until they start coming out of the woodwork, literally. A lot of the time you'll see an influx of pests during the springtime, coming out as it gets warmer outside. These are most likely pests who overwintered in or around your home. Overwintering pests doesn't refer to just insects, but also rodents and some weeds. In this video, we'll be focusing on overwintering insects, but you can visit our website for in-depth guides for rodent and weed control. You can find links for our lawn care and rodent control pages in the description below. The first step of the process is identification. The first thing you'll want to do is identify your pest. Some of the most common overwintering pests are ladybugs, stink bugs, cluster flies, box elder bugs, and crickets. These insects are all different from one another, but the tips and control products that I'll share with you in this video will treat each of these insect pests. If you have trouble identifying your pest, send a picture of the insect to this email address, and we'll get back to you with a positive ID and control methods. You can also find in-depth guides to each of these pests on our website. The second step of the process is inspection. You'll want to thoroughly inspect your home and property. This is extremely important because you need to have an understanding of how and where they're getting inside. So walk around your home, checking common entry points that pests use to get inside. Check spots like overhang vents, loose chimney flashing, openings in walls, missing or damaged grates, missing or worn door seals, damaged or loose window screens, openings where pipes or wires penetrate the walls, cracks in the foundation, seals around vents. Leave no stone unturned. Be sure to note these spots because this is where you'll be treating and repairing later. Don't forget, you can learn more and get professional pesticides on our website by clicking the link in the description below. The third step of the process is control. For complete control, we recommend using a combination of liquid concentrate, insecticidal dust, and aerosol spray. Start outside with Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a repellent insecticide concentrate that's labeled to kill over 70 different pests and offers a residual of up to 90 days. The mix rate can vary depending on your targeted pest, so always read the label for proper mix and usage rates. You'll want to mix Reclaim IT in a pump sprayer. Add the required amount of water in the sprayer, add the required amount of Reclaim, shake the sprayer, and you're ready to begin. First, create a barrier around the perimeter of your home by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Next, you'll focus on those common entry points and harborages that you might have found during the inspection process. Spray areas such as around windows, around doors, along eaves, around air vents, where plumbing penetrates the wall, around garage doors, exterior light fixtures, and basement or crawl space openings. And don't forget to treat the areas of your yard with dense shrubs or bushes. Once you've treated the exterior of your home, it's time to move inside. First, use Defense Dust. This is a ready-to-use insecticidal dust that's perfect for hard-to-reach areas. Because it's a dry dust, it can be applied to spots inside walls or behind appliances. If left undisturbed, it can last for up to 8 months. There is a small applicator tip on the bottle, but we suggest using this with a handheld duster. A duster like this can help you with a more accurate and deeper application. There's also a small ball bearing inside the duster that will prevent the dust from clumping, and a cleaning rod that will unclog the applicator tip should that ever happen. Simply add the dust to the duster, and please, when working with insecticides, always make sure you're wearing proper personal protective equipment, especially eyewear and a mask when dealing with a pesticide like this one. Apply the dust under appliances, behind baseboards, wall voids, behind electrical plates, and in the attic. Finally, for any stragglers you see, use Pyrid. This is an aerosol that's used as a contact in space spray that delivers a quick kill. Apply Pyrid on or around any insect activity. Get these products today by clicking the icon in the top right of the screen where you can easily find each of these products. We'll also have links to these products and more in the description below. The final step of the process is prevention. The key to preventing overwintering pests from invading your home is applying your pesticides at regular intervals and addressing those entry points that you found during the inspection process. Repair damaged screens and door seals. Seal entry points. Don't let vegetation creep up to the exterior of the house. Be mindful of any tree limbs that contact the roof. And reapply Reclaim IT every 90 days for guaranteed control. Be sure to visit our website for an in-depth overwintering guide and access to each of these products. We guarantee these products 100%, and we offer same-day shipping so you can get started right away. Solutions is a small, family-owned business, and we rely on referrals from customers like you. So if you like this how-to guide, please share and tell your friends and family about us. And please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. I'm Colin with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, and then do it yourself.